We have to start by opening up the door panel, and the first thing I'm going to do is removing this little cap that is behind the door handle so that we can remove the mounting bolt that's hidden there. Pull back on the door handle, and then with a pick or a flathead screwdriver, there we go. Take this off. This exposes a Phillips head screw right here. Go ahead and remove this. Next, right here in this door pocket, there's a cap. Remove that. That exposes 2 more Phillips head screws. Now you can lift this up, flip it over. Let's unplug everything. Okay, now with the trim tool, I'm going to go around and pop the door panel off of the door. It's just held on by push clips at this point. There we go. Up in the corner here, there's this piece that covers up the mounting bolts for the mirror. Go ahead and remove that. Now you can take this door panel and slide it up and out. Don't go too far because the door handle is still attached. And to take it off, pull the cable up and that'll come loose. Set your door panel aside. Take your Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the speaker from the top. As you can see, this one is in extremely poor condition. And well, it's pretty much blown, so it needs to be replaced. This one is stuck on here, so I'm going to pry it away. Just like that. Pull it up, and let's disconnect it from the back side here. Throw this one away. Take your new speaker and connect it. Slide this part down in first. Hook it up over the top. And now let's put in the mounting screw. Make it nice and snug. There is a foam insulating gasket here that will squish up against the door and make a nice tight seal. Job done. Let's get the door panel back on. Grab the door panel, feed these wires through. To reconnect the door handle cable, slide it straight down in here. Okay, take the door panel, make sure the lock indicator slides through. Hook it up and over the top here. Line that up, press it in, and once it's all into position, give it some taps around the edge. That'll lock the clips in. Put in this Phillips head screw for the door handle, and of course the little cap that hides it. Reconnect all the switches. And set this down in here. Make sure the front goes in first. Let's put the 2 screws in. And 2. Don't forget about this little cover.